used to hold my tongue before. Now it's there no more to be held down. No, 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 no. I don't care who you're working for. Go back to them, tell them who they're fucking with right now. 'Cause I don't need their condescending, their validation pending. Keep it, I ain't looking for your smiles. Ooh, I'm over even trying to work it out. I'll keep it the way it is. Hopefully you settle down. Breaking, broken, breaking out. I'm trying about to scream and shout. I don't care right now. You get it, woo, broken now, free right now.